Coordinating your team with a massive list of different software systems can be a real hassle, so it only makes sense to consolidate when possible. Today, we'll be looking at a project management software that aims to be an all-in-one workspace for your team, Notion. Hey everyone, I'm Meredith, and in this video we're talking about Notion, a project management system that bills itself as one tool for your whole team. If you're looking for more information about project management software, check out our website at project-management.com for our list of the best project management tools. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Notion is a project management system with a huge focus on collaboration. Paired with the usual project and task management features you'd expect, Notion also includes a fully customizable team wiki and a shared document workspace. While Notion is popular with individual users and smaller companies, it's scalable all the way up to enterprise companies. Notion has 4 pricing plans available. Their personal version is free to download and has no monthly subscription costs. The Personal, Pro, and Team versions are priced per user per month and include additional features like unlimited guests, unlimited file uploads, and access to the collaborative workspace. There's an enterprise plan available for larger companies that is priced by quote and includes advanced features like single sign-on or SSO and increased security. Notion is downloadable on Windows and Mac and has a mobile app for both Android and iOS users. Additionally, there's a Web Clipper add-on available for Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. The Web Clipper lets you easily grab links and pages while browsing the internet and easily integrate them into Notion. Notion comes with a number of features to help you manage projects. Notion's project management tools operate with an agile methodology. Individual tasks can be created and then assigned to different members of your team. Those tasks are created within a sprint, and each sprint has its part in a broader project. To keep things nice and tidy, you can keep track of all those tasks, meeting notes, and other docs related to a project by linking these objects all together. With several views available, Notion allows for easy customization and assignment of your various projects and tasks. Hunting down information within your business should not be as much of a hassle as it is, and Notion's Team Wiki aims to fix that. With this feature, you can set up a centralized repository of information that your business can refer to quickly and easily. This is customizable from the ground up and even includes some pre-made templates to help you get started. If you're using other apps to store information, you can just link them to your wiki with Notion's built-in compatibility with over 500 other apps. Notion's collaborative workspace makes it easy to keep track of notes and documents from your entire team. Each team member can open the system, take whatever notes are necessary, upload documents as needed, and make it accessible to the rest of the team. From there, you can build custom fields and views to organize the information and tie those notes to various tasks or projects so you can have quick access to all the relevant information that you need when you need it. Notion is a top-rated product, but it still comes with its pros and cons. Notion offers plenty of customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the system to suit your needs. The ability to link data together is well received, especially since it's easy to do with a minimal learning curve. Another great pro of Notion is the vast amount of instructional videos available and user-made templates shared within the community. Now that said, newer users can have some difficulty with choosing the right template to fit their needs, and even more difficulty learning to make their own templates. Some users also wish that there were more options to customize aesthetics, requesting more color options and font choices. It's a good idea to get multiple quotes before choosing a project management solution. If you're interested in Notion, you might also want to consider MavenLink, WorkZone, NetSuite OpenAir, and Project Insight. Now that's the end of our review for Notion, but for more information about project management software, tips, and tricks, visit our website at project-management.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you next time. Bye!